Hello students, we are studying about chapter Elasticity of Demand part 2. Today we are going to study about distinct situations of elasticity of demand. So first one is perfectly elastic demand. That is horizontal straight line demand curve. This is known as perfectly elastic demand curve. It shows that elasticity of demand is infinity. It is a situation when a small change in price of a commodity causes an infinite change in its demand. Thus, a small rise in price would lead to zero demand for the commodity. We look at the diagram. The curve is parallel to x-axis, that is D demand curve. At 4 price, the quantity demanded is unlimited. Hence, elasticity of demand is infinity. Second situation is perfectly inelastic demand. Here, the demand curve is vertical straight line. It shows that elasticity of demand is equal to 0. It is a situation when change in price causes no change in quantity demanded. So demand curve is parallel to y-axis. Demand remains same, that is 4 units. Price may be 2, maybe 4 rupees per unit, maybe 6 rupees per unit. Is it clear from the diagram? So here elasticity of demand is equal to 0. Third situation is unit elastic demand. This is a case of rectangular hyperbola demand curve. It is a curve under which all rectangular areas are equal. Each rectangular area under demand curve shows total expenditure on the commodity. Total expenditure is equal to price into quantity. Thus, when the demand curve is rectangular hyperbola, total expenditure on the commodity remains constant, no matter price of a commodity increases or decreases. So this is known as situation of unitary elastic demand. Here, demand curve is rectangular hyperbola. Elasticity of demand is equal to 1 at any point on the demand curve because total expenditure remains constant in response to increase or decrease in price of a commodity. Unit elastic demand also means percentage change in quantity demanded is exactly equal to percentage change in price. Besides these three distinct situations, the two more situations are there, that is elastic and inelastic demand. In case of elastic demand, elasticity of demand is greater than unity. It means that percentage change in quantity demanded is greater than percentage change in price of a commodity. Whereas in case of inelastic demand, that is elasticity of demand is less than 1, it means percentage change in quantity demanded is less than percentage change in price. So it will be less than 1. whereas in case of elastic demand, it shall be more than 1.